Hello, Dave from the Fettlers here. Today we're at Oxford Classic Motorcycles. We're having a look at this fizzy lookalike. It's actually a Yamaha YB1 50cc Japanese market motorcycle. It's and the person that owned it has made it look like a fizzy. So it's non-restricted. I think it's 1997. The guy's put a P reg on it, an old-fashioned number plate. Just it looks older and looks like a real fizzy. Made a really good job of it. There's a little bit of crinkling on the top of the mud guard there. I don't know if you can see that. And then, I think that might be new, and that might be, perhaps there was a number plate or something on there. No, it's just it's a cheap mud guard where it's been pressed together. If you look, because it's always where the brackets are. See? So we won't worry about that too much. As you can see, it's got a spanny on it. Choke control at the top. YSS shocks on it. Let me start it up. I don't really like the style of the seat personally. Let's start her up. This little fizzy lookalike, quite nice. Really loud. Got a rotary gearbox on it, so it's 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, and then 1 down again, and you'll find neutral again. Sounds lovely, doesn't it? Really loud, but handles well. Brakes work well. The man who did it done a really good job. Front brake is phenomenal. Brake, the back one's really good as well. I'll tell you what, I do like these little 50cc things. I like the MT50 that Charlie's just recently sold now. This is really nice. I don't know what else to say, it's just a cracking little bike. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little ride round. That is a fantastic little bike. I had one when I was 16. It's blooming comfortable as well. As I said, I do love the 50s, the 50cc's, the little mopeds and stuff. They are slow, but if there's a few of you, you're okay. Thanks for watching.